Demolition on the building at the hospital in Chicago. Bill is getting ready to go demolition in his truck at the old warehouse in the hospital. He is demolition and he's bringing his demolition crew to demolition that machine down. He's demolitioning that machine. With that machine, the building, he's taking the building down in the schools and demolitioning it to rebuild stuff out of. He is demolitioning the buildings in Chicago. Bill and his crews are demolitioning that building down. Building that down. He is demolitioning that building. Demolitioning that building down. He's demolitioning that building down. He is demolitioning that building down in Chicago, the old schools. He is demolitioning derbying that with his machines. With his machines, he is demolitioning the old school, the Bill Bay football stadium there. Demolishing that building down to pieces.